Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to fix cannot preview this file type error on Android phone. As you can see guys, when you're opening the APK file or you are opening the zip file, at that time if you are getting this problem error, as you can see guys in my screen, so I also facing the same type of problem. So now let's see how to fix this problem. What is the reason and solution behind this error? The reason is very simple guys. In your phone, dedicated app is not available installed on your phone. For example, if you're opening the APK file, you need to have the proper file manager app on your phone. If you're opening a zip file, you need to have the dedicated zip file extracting app on your phone. If you're opening any doc file, document file, you need to have a proper PDF file viewer app. You need to have a docs app on your phone. Okay, in that case, if you don't have that dedicated app, at that time you can definitely face this type of problem error on your phone. At that time you need to install it. Okay, open the Google Play Store. Here you need to search that dedicated app. If you are trying to opening the any Word document, you need to have the application. Okay, Google Docs. If you are opening the PDF file, you need to install the any PDF viewer app. Okay, just search it and download and install it. So if you are looking all in one app, I will suggest you this application, File Reader, Word, PDF, Zip. If you install this application, it will open all kind of files on your phone. Just install it. It will now fix your problem. Okay, through this you can easily able to fix this problem. So that's for today guys, a short and simple video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.